Hello, hello. Okay, so hopefully you took that trade that was up there that I called last night, and hopefully you kept it in because it was really nice. You can see I'm still in here. I took some profits, I think at like 46 pips or something. So that would have been in here somewhere, first leg. Why did I take it there? Was it here? Yeah, it's probably there. First resistance, so yeah, that was nice. And I'm still in. I'm just trying to get my lower targets because in the daily we bounced out of, we did a test of the daily 3x3, so I was hoping we'd make lower lows here. In the 4 hour, I did the same thing, came back below, so again looking to make lower lows. I like this triple bottom here, so that's exactly where my take profit is, which is 24.75 is my take profit. So I'll show you here what I got. Where's this thing? So where's my take profit? 24.75, and I've locked in almost 30 pips here, as you can see, 29 pips. I just put it above swing low and basically put it in a very safe, sorry, above swing high. I'll show you in the 15 here. It goes above this, right? No, it's actually below that. What was it? Above this? Yeah, it was above. Yeah. So swing high, swing high. So I just put my stop loss above that, and I like that today because it's above the H3, long above the. It's actually right at the H4 is my exit. I could actually lower it, but we'll see. We'll see what we get. It looks like to me it might be a dick around day because I don't really see much setting up. We have a nice fib going up, but you can see by the price action that it's not. It's just doing this kind of really strange flat retracement and then a push down. So I lost my count in here. I thought this was 1, 2, 3, and then we went to garbage. So maybe this is a strange direction 5 from here. Let's just see if that's see what our retracement looks like. A retracement there and a retracement. That's pretty good. So yeah, we'll call it a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this looks like we're going to A. So I don't expect too much out of this. It's nice that we broke that line, but if this is just A, then we're going to B and then C, and then we'll look for another leg down. Otherwise, this is 1, and I'll get stopped out. So anyway, so that's my trades for tonight. I mean, my trade for yesterday. I don't really have much tonight. The fibs aren't really lining up with anything. I got, oops, what is that? I got 2/1 here. Oh, I can't use that. I'm going to just flip it here so you can see the way I do it the other way. 26.8 is at 25.50. So that's an area that it may line up in the C leg. So if we're going to go for a C leg up there, it might work. I'll definitely be looking for confirmation in there. Other than that, we really don't have much. If we're going to go up now, we can go way up. So I'll just put that fib in there. Way up. What is this doing? Hello? Yeah. Way up. So yeah, that's ultimate move here is back up to the 2600 level. Is a fib just using prior market, right? So lower low. And we have filled that gap. So that happened in the Asian session just a little while ago. We just filled it, and we've got some take profits happening here, I guess. Hopefully, that's what's happening. If this is a 1 coming down, which I really, really hope it is, I'm going to look at the bigger time frame and see if this lines up with any of the other directions and see if this could have been a final, but for now, is that? Oh, I see, that's part of the L. Okay, so for now we got a 38.2 up at 25.50. So this fib actually really works quite well. That's a confirmation of this level being tough. 25.50. And our last swing low here is at 25.59. So that's something to look at. What? Oops. And then we have a trend line here that we're, if we're going to use that as a trend line. The other thing is we could use it sharper. So I had this originally as a much sharper, and it looks like it was respected here with a break breathe. So we could come up into this area all at the same time, depending how the C leg looks. Anyway, I'll be looking at this level. I'm definitely going to be doing some fibs from the ABC that comes down here and see what kind of action we get up into here. If it's going down tonight, we've already hit the L3, which is super annoying. Look at that, Asian session, boom, L3 touched. Just great pips off the L3, but I'm not there for that time. 25, woo! Anyway, I have two versions of trend lines here that we broke, so if we're doing ABC, this should be our lows down in here. So maybe the Euro session will be a low here and then up a bit, and I don't know. Just really not looking very exciting. Our fib, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if we do the fib here, the 2618 was already hit, as you can see right here, and the L3 at the same time. So that's already done too. So basically, we're spent on this. I don't really have, I have major targets down. If I use this swing high here, next, like we hit that one last night, right? We actually sort of hit it and then really hit it just earlier. So that was this level. If we're going to get below the L3 tonight, the first fib we have is down below, well, if I take it really, really, really tight, we're down that trend line. So that's what I'm looking at as a low tonight. I may try something in here. I don't think I want to take it on a spike. I'll want some fibs in here that also line up. I can check this fib here. We're a bit below. If I pull this right out to the spike, and I put this right on the spike, right there. So I'm going, oh no, from here to here. Actually, we got a level here at it's lining up at the 25.55, 25.60 area. It's looking like it's going to be good support. Plus, you have the trend line, the triple bottom trend line. So if it's slow to get there, New York session bottom, it might be a good buy in the 24.50 area. So you can look for that. Other than that, and if we're going to make higher highs here, this fib's going to get shot anyway, so we'll just have the one fib coming down into this area. So I don't have anything I want to recommend. Not even dainty ones. Definitely look for some action up in here after this is formed, but right now I have nothing to show. So basically I was just bragging about my trade last night. It was nice. We got a fill. It was proper. Now catching this one last night was pretty cool because if you run this fib, the 2618 was right here, and if you run, let me just clean this board off a bit. So, is that it? No, okay. So I'll just throw the fibs in from last night. So we got 2618 up here. We got this retracement, 2618 right there. So we have two already. Then you use prior market that happened on Friday, and if this is some kind of a 1-2, I'm just going to do exactly the same thing, and the 2618 is number 3. So we had 3 levels coming up into here. It's beautiful, beautiful. So all of these were in the 2611 up to 2616, and you can see my entries above that. I got 2619 was my entry. I'll show you how I got that and why that level was hit. So sexy. Such a great trade last night. Beauty. Waiting for one of these for a while now. Yes. So I'll just get rid of all these lines so you can see what I'm up to. What is this? Oh, those are my cells. Okay. So I just took this leg down from here, and we hit the 38.2. So that was gorgeous, which was 26.18. I got my entry at 26.19. It's a sell. So that was beautiful. We had 3 fibs up into this, and then right above it was the 38.2 and the H4. So it's just, loved it. And got a nice burst out of that. I'm still riding it. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, that's it for my bragging, and that's it for the trade area. We're looking at is 25.50 for a sell, and 24.50 for a buy. And I'll come back on if I have anything else tonight. Ciao.